Every morning, you open your inbox and the same exhausting routine begins. Sort this, forward that, flag the urgent one, delete the noise. What if that whole process just happened on its own? That is exactly what n8n makes possible. n8n is a visual automation tool that connects the apps your business already uses. You build workflows by arranging boxes called nodes on a canvas, and each node handles one specific job. Every workflow starts with a trigger, something that tells n8n to wake up and go to work. Once the trigger fires, each node in the chain does its job and passes the result along to the next one. No code required, just logic laid out visually. Here is a real example. Your Gmail inbox is the trigger. The moment a new email arrives, n8n reads the subject line and body, then hands that text to an AI node powered by OpenAI. The AI reads the message and decides whether it is a billing question, a support request, a sales lead, or general noise. Based on that decision, n8n automatically applies the right Gmail label so your inbox sorts itself. If the message is flagged urgent, n8n sends a direct notification to the right person in Slack right away so nothing critical falls through. Then, instead of interrupting you all day, n8n collects everything and sends you one clean summary email each evening at 5 o'clock. What used to take 20 to 30 minutes of manual sorting every morning now takes you zero. Here is why this matters beyond your inbox. n8n connects to hundreds of apps from Google Workspace to QuickBooks to your CRM. It runs around the clock without a break, and because you can host it yourself, you own the whole thing. No per task fees eating into your margins. You do not need to automate everything at once. Start with one workflow that removes one daily headache and build from there. If you want this kind of automation running inside your own business, PRISC Group builds it and runs it for you. See if a pilot is a fit at PRISCgroup.com. Follow PRISC Group for more real automation builds. Automate relentlessly, ruthlessly.